Hey, Kyle here with Maple Systems. Today, we're going to be taking a look at our stainless steel waterproof industrial panel PCs, the PC8100AP. Let's take a look. The PC8100AP series are all waterproof, so they are IP66 and IP69K on all sides. They have a 304 stainless steel enclosure. All of the I/O ports have M12 waterproof connectors. The sizes are a 24-inch, 21.5-inch, 17-inch, 15.6-inch, and a 15-inch. You can also purchase an optional U-stand which comes with each size. They have a TFT LCD projective capacitive touchscreen. They're built on a fanless Intel Celeron J6412 quad-core CPU with Intel UHD graphics. They have system memory options of 8 GB, 16 GB, or 32 GB of RAM. There's storage options from 128 GB up to 2 TB SSD. They have an operating temperature of 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, or 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. You can choose Windows 10 or 11, as well as Linux, Ubuntu desktop. You can also purchase optional Wi-Fi that comes with 2 antennas and Bluetooth 5.2 support. And they have a VESA-100 Mount. When you first receive your waterproof PC, you will remove it from the box and it will be encased in foam and wrapped in anti-static plastic. So let's remove it from the foam and the plastic. Now let's go over what's going to be in the box when you receive your unit. I have the 15-inch here. This is the PC8115AP. So when you receive your unit, when you open the box, there will be the PC encased in foam and wrapped in anti-static plastic. There will also be a screen cover on the PC that you can remove. And then there's also going to be an accessories box. This comes with the unit. You will receive the Maple Systems warranty. Also, a VESA mounting bracket kit with the screws as well. And then finally, there is the DC power cable, which is M12 to leads. You also have the option of purchasing the additional M12 connector cables that do not come with the unit, but you have the option of purchasing them separately. One of those is the M12 serial COM connection cable. There is also the M12 USB 2.0 connection cable, which has 2 USB 2.0s on it. So you can get 2 of these and then have 4 USB 2.0 connections because there are 2 USB connections on the PC. You can also purchase the power supply, which has the M12 connection as well. And then lastly, there's the M12 RJ45 LAN connection cable. Let's go over the I/O on the bottom of the PC. Starting over the left side, over here, you have your power button, then your M12 VDC power connector, then there are 2 M12 LAN connectors, then 2 M12 USB 2.0 connectors, 2 M12 serial COM connectors, and finally is the pressure relief vent. On the back of the PC is where you would find your VESA 100 by 100 millimeter M4 screw holes for your VESA mounting. And then located at the top is your optional Wi-Fi antenna connectors on each side. And then located on the back as well, under the model name, is where you would find an embedded or a non-embedded Windows license. You have the option of purchasing a non-embedded, meaning Windows is not activated, and you'll need to activate it yourself when you receive the unit. So you'll need to scratch off the code right here and activate it. Or you can purchase an embedded Windows license, meaning that Windows is activated for you right here at Maple Systems, and when you receive the unit, it'll essentially be plug and play. You also have the option of purchasing Linux instead of Windows. Okay, now I'm going to power on the PC8100AP, and as you can see here, I have the PC mounted on the optional U-stand. So I have a M12 power cable going into a power supply, and then I also have one of the RJ45 Ethernet cables, the M12 Ethernet cable, going into a switch which is connected to my network. So I'm going to turn on the power supply, and the PC is going to boot up. See the Maple Systems logo. You'll see the user welcome screen. Okay, now the PC is on and I have some rubber gloves. I'm just going to go to Microsoft Edge, and using the rubber glove, you can see how smooth the projective capacitive touch works with the rubber glove. And you can scroll through our industrial panel PCs page. And that is our stainless steel waterproof industrial panel PC, the PC8100AP series. Well, that's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it on YouTube and subscribe to the Maple Systems YouTube page. To get more information on our waterproof industrial panel PCs, you can visit the Maple Systems website or reach out to our sales team, sales@maplesystems.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.